Yes.
Uh,
Cycle 1, Week 4, Science Experiment, Pollution. Purpose to observe the outreaching effect of a small amount of pollution on a stream and its wildlife. Your student will make a hypothesis as to whether 1. You can always see pollution in water, or 2. Pollution can be there even when you cannot see it. Materials you will need are measuring cups, a gallon container, water, and red food coloring. You will first pour 1/2 cup of water into a measuring container and place 1 drop of food coloring in this container. The experiment itself calls for 2 drops. However, while testing the experiment, 1 drop was sufficient. Pour this into the large container, and your student will note the red in this container. Then your student will gradually add water to this to see the effects. The experiment calls for adding 1 cup at a time. For our purposes, I will add 2 at a time. There's 2. Four. 6. 8. 10. 12. As the water volume increases, the color of the red decreases. There is 14 cups of water. There is minimal or trace red observed in the container. The red is visible at first because the molecules of red color are close together. As clean water is added, the color molecules spread evenly throughout the water. They finally get far enough apart that they become invisible because of their small size. This is what happens with some water pollutants. The material may be visible where it is initially dumped, but as it flows downstream and becomes mixed with more water, it is no longer seen with the naked eye. This does not mean that it is gone. Just like the red food coloring, there is still amount in the water that you would be ingesting small quantities if you drank the water. Similarly, animal life in a stream is affected by pollutants many miles from the source.